What up folks, Advanced Gunslinger Armament here again. Today we're doing a video on hand placement and weapons movement so that you can work most efficiently with your hybrid instant transition sling. Around me we have the Mark II as evidenced by the pull knob QD in the 1-inch webbing. This is the multicam pattern with an HK hook as the primary attachment. On the blue gun we have your typical looped sling adapter on the rear and the 45-degree offset rail mounted swivel socket up forward. Of note, this blue gun does have a fully extended buttstock, so now you know that we're working with a longer profile weapon. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and place this weapon system muzzle down, what you need to do is grab the pistol grip, bring it up, punch it out towards your support side. At the same time you swim that support arm out. Maintain positive control by an overhand grip of your support hand on the rail system. Then you bring it over and you punch in your firing arm. Switch hands again so that your right hand is gripping the rail system. Support hand comes up to the webbing and you just bring it around. Here it is. Now, I didn't take in any of the slack. The way you do that is with your support hand, you grab that webbing that's going across your chest, bring it down so that the the buttstock comes up. Your firing hand goes down and acquires the pull tab, and you pull it forward and up. Here it is. So it's not going to go anywhere. Now it's ninja on my back. When I'm ready to employ this weapon system with the muzzle down, my firing hand goes down to the paracord, pulls down, and then up and around. My support hand grasps the rail system, firing hand drops that paracord, reacquires the pistol grip, support hand comes around, releases that secondary attachment, punch out, pocket, go to work. I'm in that single point configuration mode, right? So free and clear all day long to jam a new mag, check out the malfunctions. I can go ahead and muzzle strike, do whatever it is that I need to do. Alright, so let's show that to you guys real time. Nice, comfortable 2-point carry. I want to go ahead and go muzzle down. Time to get on the chopper, right? That's it. Simple. If I just want to walk around like this, I can do that all day long. Easy day. If I need to go ahead and tighten it down for some type of rigorous activity, acquire, grab, cinch down, and now it's good to go. The minute I need to go ahead and employ that weapon system, go ahead and turn that guy up. Ready to go to work. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show that to you with the kit, guys. Alright, we have 3 loaded mags up front, another 2 plus 1 on the side, 2 big pouches on either side, the tourniquet, as well as some pistol mag pouches. Alright, so here I am, right, same motions, up, support side, punch through, punch in, and there we are. We're on the backhand side now. If I want to go ahead and tighten that thing down, same thing. Just punch it up, grab this, pull it down and around. It's not going anywhere. The minute I want to employ it, bring it around, go to work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. Whenever you're ready to get the best sling on the market, you can do so at www.advancedgunslinger.com.